Hey guys, install Scarlet iOS on your iPhone without a computer in 2024. So go ahead and open up your browser and just type Scarlet iOS, right? And you could go ahead to the second search result, right? Official website, and you could download it directly through official link. Right here, you're gonna see download Scarlet app and download the zip file and continue with the process of of opening the zip file and start downloading the app, okay, on your iPhone. So let's turn on the count if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.